Hello everyone, welcome to S.A.University. Today we will discuss about how to install Windows Server on virtual machine. So first you will need to install virtual machine. Then go to Google and type virtual box. You can see Oracle VM virtual box. Click on it and in the left side you can see option download. Okay. I am installing it on my window, so I will select first option and it will start downloading. You can wait and just open it. Okay, next, next. uh, it's giving you warning like installing the Oracle VM VirtualBox, networking feature will reset. If you install it for temporarily, it can disconnect internet, so no issue, you can install it. Okay, install. I already installed it, so I will cancel it and finish. I will show you after installation it will look like this. And now you will need to create a new virtual box, so click on new. Here you can give any name like I'm giving test VM. Folder you can give the path where you want to install it. I'm not changing it. ISO image. You can add ISO image of your Windows Server here, but I'm not adding here. I will add after installation. Here you can see option of hardware basic memory. Here you can give the space according to your need, but I'm not doing any change here. I will just click on next. Here you can see your drive space. It select on 1550 GB, so I will not give the 15 GB. I don't have much space, so I will just select 10 GB because I am just here to show you how to create VM. Okay, so just you can change the value of space, okay, according to your need. Just click on next and finish. Here you can see your virtual box is ready. So but here, yeah, you can go on setting. Here you can see storage and you can see empty, and it will tell here. Click on here. Here I have IS image of Windows Server. You can see Windows Server 2022. Okay, so just click on it. You can also download Windows Server 2022 as image from Google. Okay, just click and okay. Now open it. Just double click on it. You don't need to do anything other. It will select ISA image automatically from here. Just wait. Cancel it. Here you can see the setup of Windows Server 2022 is start. Next and install now. It will take a few seconds. Yeah, here you can see Windows Server 2022 Standard Evolution, Windows Server 2022 Standard Evolution Desktop Experience, and Windows Server 2022 Data Center Evolution and Data Center Evolution Desktop Experience. Generally, we select Standard Evolution Desktop Experience. Okay, so I will select it and click on next. Select OK and next. Here you can see upgrade and customize. Upgrade we generally use if you already have window and server installed and you need to do something change, then you can go for upgrade. But if you are installing new window or server, then you can select customize. Okay, here you can see in previous I gave 10 GB space, so here you can see I have 10.5 GB. So you can create multiple drives, but I don't have much space, so I am not going to create multiple drive. I will just create one drive of 10 GB. You can see. Okay, so my drive is created, so just click on next. Sorry, Microsoft Server operating system can't be installed on the drive. Zero part. Okay, I think I don't have much space to install server. Okay, create a new, apply. Okay, so I think I need to give more space. Okay, nothing to worry, you can just cancel and create a new. As previous, I will give the test VM 1. Okay, sorry, 1. So I will not change the path of the VM. I will just click next and next. Now I will give 16 or 20 GB. Okay, next, finish. Now as previous, you can go to setting, storage, empty drive and select ISO image. Okay, now open it. So it's mean you cannot install Windows Server in less than 10 GB VM. Okay, so click on next, install. And as I said, we will select standard evolution desktop experience. Click on next. Okay, next. As I said, select customize for new drive, and I will not change because I don't need to create multiple drive. I will just create one drive, so I will just apply. Okay, okay, now you can see option select. It's mean in previous VM we have facing issue of space. Okay, so now you can click on next and you can see your setup will start, installation will start now. It will take few minutes. uh, so I will be back after installation. You can see now installation is 100% complete. Installing feature, installing update. Here it will restarting or your PC. You can wait. Press any key you can press. Okay, here your server is already installed. on your VM. It will work like your real PC. Now you can see the server is already installed. Yeah, you can give any password because you need password for your server. I just give abc at 123 abc at 123 and finish. Just control delete. Just next. Here you can see as you give the name test vm1, okay, and your server is already installed, and you can see you can't see the icon here, so just go to your personalization, theme, desktop icon, just select computer, okay, apply, okay, okay. Here you can see server manager is open now. Now you can do anything which you want, okay. Your server is ready.